Alrighty folks, welcome back to another unboxing with Zombie. Let's get right into it here. Today we'll be unboxing a vacuum suction phone holder. This one's going to be from Temu as well. Link in the description. It says that it has 65 kilopascals of power. Okay. A lot of this won't really make a lot of sense, obviously, coming from Temu. You can only read what's on the box, and a lot of it doesn't make sense. It's translated. It comes with a metal disc and then a plastic cover as well, so you don't mess anything up, and you can stick it to whatever you'd like at that point. All right, let's get her open here. Safety first. Close that bad boy up. And as you can see here, right in the middle, there's a button that you press completely down on the suction there, and then it will suction right to it. You can hear it go zoo, 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 making a suction noise, and it sticks really well. You have to charge it up in order for it to stick to other things. And then make sure you take off this plastic ring as well. See what else is in the box. A charger, and looks like cleaning tools, so you can adhere the metal ring as well as the plastic protector. So not a whole lot in the box here, but it is pretty powerful, I will say that. I've used it many times in the car. I just wish it would flip up so that it's not just on a flat surface. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content. Until then, see you next time.